Hey guys, welcome back to Delf Stack. This is how to fix video glitch Chrome in Windows 11. So, in order for you to fix this issue, what you could try to do is just simply go to the settings into your Chrome. So, select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. And now over here, go ahead and go to the settings tab. Now here on your settings tab, you could just simply go ahead and use the search bar at the top and search for acceleration. And now here you should be able to see use a graphics acceleration when available. So make sure to turn this off, and from here just simply select relaunch, and mostly this can fix your issue. Now if it still doesn't and you still have the problem, what you could try to do is go to your start menu over here and search for device manager. Here on the device manager, you will have an option over here, display adapters. Now over here, select the arrow over here to expand, and you will have one graphics drivers. Right click on it, select update driver, and you will have an option search automatically for drivers. And mostly when there is any update, you should be able to download it over here. And as you can see, the best drivers for my device are already installed, and mostly this can fix your issue. Or you could just simply search for updated drivers on Windows Update as well over here, and you could just simply make sure you are running the latest version of your Windows as well. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.